Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 4047 33rd Avenue West. The date is June 24th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the newly installed cleanout here in the back side of the home. What we're looking at there is the Seattle City main, all the way down on 33rd Ave. This line wraps around the back corner of the house and runs along parallel with the south side of the home. We're going to come back from the main. You're going to see we're immediately jumping into our 6-inch diameter new flow cure-in-place pipeliner as prescribed within 1 foot of that city main sewer. So we are going to come back into that liner here. So coming back through that nice smooth 6-inch diameter new flow cure-in-place pipeliner there. We come back from that pipeliner into our 6-inch diameter PVC repair that we dug out near the sidewalk. So that's the end of that lining section, and we're now into the 6-inch PVC down by the sidewalk. That 6-inch PVC transitions into 4-inch diameter PVC right there. Now we're going to come back into the HDPE that was associated with the pipe burst. So this is now the 4-inch HDPE that was pipe bursted along that south side of the house. So we are now cruising along the south side of the home now in this new 4-inch diameter plastic. There's one of the welds. There's a weld every 20 feet in that HDPE plastic. There's another one of our welds there. Then we're going to come back around the corner. This would be the southwest corner of the home. We did another PVC repair there and added a clean out access. There's that clean out access there. And we're going to come around this last corner. Come around this last corner there. I almost dropped the camera. And back into this HDPE plastic that's on the back side of the house. We're now running parallel with the back side of the house. You'll notice we have a little bit of standing water in this backside HDPE. This section does not have the greatest grade. It did not have the greatest grade before we got started, and it remains that way. But it is vastly improved over what we had. We had a broken section of pipe in there along with the flatness, so it was causing repeated backups. What you're looking at there is just a minor amount of standing sewage water in that pipe as we come back up out of the cleanout. So all vastly improved. Very happy with how the project has gone thus far. There is the showing of the 4-inch diameter. This cleanout's going to rise up to surface, but I just wanted to show the pipe. Ending the video there.